We're back and we're on our third mother sauce based on our five mother sauces. Okay, we're done with our bechamel and our hollandaise. Now we are on our tomato sauce. But what I'm going to show you first before we go to the real tomato sauce is the real tomato. So you have here best tomatoes is the big American tomatoes, the big ones. Bakit kaya mas maganda yon? Kasi nga, mas malaman at mas makapal yung pulp na makukuha natin. Especially when you're going to puree our tomatoes. Okay, so first is, you have to score your tomato. Parang sinusugatan lang po natin yung tomato para mas mabilis balatan o alisin po yung skin. And ipa-blanch po natin ito for a few minutes. You simply have to boil the water. Okay, and you can see around, let's say, 5 minutes. Okay, after this we are going to wash this in a cold blanch to stop the cooking, and we simply have to remove the skin of the tomato, and we're going to get the puree and place in our tomato sauce. Okay, I'm just simply removing now the skin. Of course, what am I getting? I'm taking first the pulp of our tomatoes, and I'm going to get the puree later on. Okay, so this has been hot blanch. Okay, with our hot blanch, we boil the water, place the tomato, and then for 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes, you now place it in a cold blanch. That's cold water to stop the cooking. And we now have to remove the skin of our tomato and remove the seeds of our tomato. Then we will have to mince it and place it in a blender maybe. But if you don't have a blender, just simply chop your tomatoes, remove the seeds, and you will be able to get the puree. So this is our tomato sauce. Okay, we're back for our tomato sauce. So we have already pureed our tomato. Okay, we have blanched it in a hot blanch, cold blanch. We remove the skin and then we remove the seeds, and we simply had to, puree. Okay, so we have now here on our pan, it's already hot. We just simply have to place our oil, approximately 1/4 of our oil. Okay, 1/4 cup or just a little if you don't have to cook too much of our tomato sauce. And I'm going to, because it's already warm, I'm going to place my garlic, minced garlic. Okay, there you are, a little of my bay leaf. Okay, so my bay leaf, see, your onions is going to be just a little cooking. Okay, there you are. And of course, I am placing my oregano leaves. Okay, oregano leaves. I'm also placing my garlic. Okay, so you have your onions, your bay leaf, you have your garlic, and I'm just sauteing it. So sa atin, paggigisa, okay, mas mabilis magluto pagka nakahanda na lahat yung lulutuin. Please, those who are going to have the return demo, will be faster if you have prepared and placed all your ingredients, mise en place, place them in mise en place bowls, and they have been diced. You can smell already the bay leaf, okay, and the oregano. Marami po tayong oregano dyan sa ating probinsya. So you can use this, okay, pampabango po yung ating oregano and the bay leaf, okay. I'm now going to place a little of my, okay, this is beef stock. You can also use, you can also place chicken stock. Okay, so I'm placing a little of my stock here, approximately 1 cup. Just let it simmer. After simmering, okay, I will now place my 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Okay, with my tomato paste, you are. I will now place the pureed tomato. So this is our tomato sauce. 1 more tablespoon of our tomato paste. This is our third sauce. Okay. So there you are. Wow, ang bango-bango na niya. And I will now place my pureed tomato. Okay. This can be used for your baked macaroni, which is going to be showed later. You can use this for your baked macaroni, lasagna. Okay. And you can also place this in meat or chicken. Here it's simmering. I am now adding a little of my salt, a little of my pepper. And we're ready for our tomato sauce. We're ready for our plating. Our tomato sauce, you can use this later, as I mentioned, in your baked macaroni or lasagna later. But I'm placing this now. Of course, I strained it, okay? And I am placing it now in our pasta. Okay, so this can be your spaghetti, okay, with your tomato sauce. Okay, and you can also place this on what? You can place this on your meat. No? And this is real tomato that you have. Of course, is going to taste real tomato puree. And the flavor of your bay leaf. Of course, di yun na po nakikita yung bay leaf dyan kasi na-strain na po ito. But maybe just simply have to clean your plate and we're ready for our food.